When the world had their eyes on animals,
we saw a difference. Continue streaming live so that they can help the black mambas put more eyes and ears in the reserve and let us know whatever that they see on the cameras, and also to educate different people all over the world about nature conservation and how to protect nature.
The more eyes we have on the poachers, the better we can protect our animals. If they know that people around the world are watching and helping, they will think twice about killing the animals.
People are poaching for different reasons. We've got bushmeat poachers, we've got poachers that comes for caribou in the mine that is near our reserve, and then we've got rhino poaching. White rhinos are quite friendly, which is also not good because that's how poachers get to kill them most. Black rhino is very much aggressive. Whenever it sees a person, it wants to charge. What I love most about sweeping is that I get to see animals and I get to see how they behave. And I also get to learn about the bush itself every day because there are so many changes that are happening in the bush. So I get to learn about trees and grass. I see different snakes when I'm doing my sweep. So then I know the challenges, or I know how to react when I come across harmful animals in that kind of situation. The black mambas monitors the whole of Balule. As we're working now, there are those who went on a sweep to remove snakes. So we actually want to make sure that the whole of Balule is covered in a day and all the animals are safe. To myself, being in the bush, that's where I find peace of mind, and that's where I get to think of how important it is to be around animals and how important it is for me to wake up early in the morning and put my life in the line for the animals to be safe. So many nice things that you can enjoy while you're streaming live. The animals' behavior, the sounds of animals, seeing baby impalas, you know, there are so many interesting things that people can look out for when they're streaming. Look out for my films on how to be a virtual ranger.